Hi, my name is Carl Zaldivar with Biz Automation, and I want to show you why running your business on multiple systems is costing you money and keeping you from growing efficiently. Let's start with a couple of core systems every modern business needs when they start off: accounting and CRM. Here we have a couple of excellent products used by millions of businesses: QuickBooks and Salesforce. Now, in the bottom section, you'll notice key database fields used in both systems, and they're color-coded so you can match up areas of duplication. That's right, I said duplication, because that's what's happening every time you try to connect two systems to one another that have their own database. That means there's no single version of the truth, and in a minute, I'll show you how that can come back to haunt you as you grow. But let's scatter a few more apps into the mix to more accurately depict what's happening in small business USA. If you inventory product, you'll quickly outgrow QuickBooks. So let's bring in Fishbowl, a well-known leader in its space. Oh, and by the way, it integrates with both Salesforce and QuickBooks. You see, its database also has customers, items, pricing, and contacts. So we have three sets of duplicated databases. Which one copies to the other, I wonder? And which one is the master that should control any changes that happen to one of the duplicated records downstream? Starting to see the problem? Okay, let's introduce some more apps because business is booming. Like millions of retail and distribution-based businesses, you need to sell online. So we're going to need e-commerce and shipping software to create labels and tracking numbers. What if you need to pay employees sales commission? What if you need to coordinate tasks across employees and subcontractors? Okay, I'll stop. But you get the idea. This is what happens as businesses grow. So let me ask you a few questions. Say something like this represents your app stack, and I ask you to change a customer record. Would you know where to start? Would all customers get the same change? What if I made a very reasonable request that quotes in CRM were converted into orders in all systems that consumed them, so reporting is accurate later on? Oh yeah, reports. Which system reports are you going to use, and for what? Or what about that new customer that came in from your online store? What if they call and ask you to modify quantity for the order, but it's in 5 different apps now? How do you do that? How will that affect paid invoices, which impacts sales commissions? Are you confused yet? I can go on and on, but I'll stop there because I think you're getting the picture. Forbes magazine even wrote an article about this, appropriately titled, "Are You Tangled in a Big Data Hairball?" You can Google it. It's a good read. Software is supposed to reflect your business and data. I mean, if you ran your business in the physical world the way most organizations run their business systems, they'd have multiple versions of the same company scattered across geographical locations. The CEOs would all have to call each other to coordinate and synchronize the same business decisions. That's absurd, of course, but it begs the question. If you wouldn't run your business in the real world this way, why are you running your business in software this way? Now I think you'll understand what we mean when we say that we run your entire business on one system, on one database. And we can. All the data hairball you saw in the previous slides, we consolidate into a single system on a single database and at an affordable price without the gimmicks. Thanks for watching.